Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Toyota Sienna. First, locate the phone button on your car's audio system. This is usually found near the radio controls. Next, ensure that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile device. Then, navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu on your phone. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Once your phone's Bluetooth is on, select Add New Device on your car's display screen. Your Toyota Sienna's system will then become discoverable and appear on your phone's list of available Bluetooth devices. Simply tap on the car's name on your phone to begin the pairing process. This step links your phone directly to your vehicle's audio system. After tapping your car's name, a pairing code will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these codes match to proceed. Your phone will then indicate connected once the pairing is successful. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of hands-free calling and stream your favorite audio directly through your car's speakers. It's that simple. If you encounter any connection issues, try deleting old, unused devices from your car's Bluetooth memory. Sometimes, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's audio system can resolve minor glitches. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below. We hope this guide helps you connect your device effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.